Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy on the chat. We're gonna be starting on a fresh series where we're gonna be taking a $10 account to $1,000 account with no luck, no shortcuts, just pure skill, discipline, and consistency. So what you're gonna do right here, we're gonna be scalping, guys. We're gonna be like taking high risk trades. So I don't recommend anyone to take this particular trades, but I just want to show you how I normally do my trades, and then we're gonna see if we are able to grow this account. So this platform, guys, is called Derive. Derive operates 24/7, guys, Monday to Monday. Now what's gonna happen here on this platform, we are on a pair called Jump 10. There are a lot of pairs here. Some are expensive and some are affordable. So this is one of the affordable pairs that we can use to grow our $10 account. What I've seen is that, okay, we do have a breakout structure here, which we call a wipe before it goes up. And then at the top here, we see there's another breakout structure going up. So this market actually doesn't have a direction so far if it's either trending up or trending down, because when you're on the Windows version, you actually won't see what happened on your daily time frames. Like as you can see, this is to the 23rd of November 2024. But when you're on a mobile version, you can actually go and see what happened on daily, weekly, and also on monthly. So there's more data on your mobile version. Like I check it on the MetaTrader mobile version, but for now we're not interested in that part. We're interested in the smaller time frames to see what's basically happening. And then now when I hop into the 15-minute time frame, what I see here is that we've been trending up here from this side. Where is this? So we've been trending up, making our highs and lows here, and then we failed to break structure there. We came down here, and then now we're breaking structure to the downside. You feel? So I'm interested in this breakup structure here and this one here. So when I see this in the market, possibilities that the market might keep on like breaking structures to the downside. It might go up, but before it does that, it has to break this previous high. So because for now we haven't broken that previous high, we only broken the previous low. So what I'm anticipating is that on this level here, we did touch and then we went down. So possibilities is that this market would shoot all the way down. Will shoot all the way down to this level here and break structure here, which is a high possibility for the market to do that right now. But because I'm scalping, I'm actually following the market. Now I went onto the 5-minute time frame. By the way, I took the trade yesterday, this one, so my take profit is here already with another account. but because we are on this $10 account, so we're gonna have to see what we can do in order to grow our $10. So here what I'm anticipating is that we have this level here. Some call it a double top, some call it an inducement, some call it liquidity. So now when you find this in the market, what basically happens is that the market tends to come and wipe out these types of structures and then proceeds to go down. So what I'm seeing now is that we have a break of structure here. Let's go to our 1 minute time frame there. So we have a little bit of break of structure there, there, but now we failed to break this one for now. But my prediction is that this market might come to take this level out and proceed to go down. So my prediction is that it's gonna come back here and still go to our direction there. So how do you catch a trade like this? So I work with supply and demands now. So on this chart here, we recently broke structure there, and then we wiped below here. So after this wipe, it went and broke this previous high and then came down here. It reached a supply zone here and then came broke another structure there and another one there, took out this liquidity here and then went up again, but it didn't break structure there. Now what usually happens is that if a market fails to break structure, it comes back to where it bounced before. Like it comes back to the support and then goes back up there. Now the trade might miss because already it bounced on the support. So the reason I started recording was actually to catch this movement here, but there is still a possibility that we can still place a trade and hopefully we catch the movement, even though it seems like it's moving away from us. So missing a trade is part of the game, so we don't have to panic. You just have to stick to your level there. Now what I see here, most of the time I usually go to high time frames just to find nice candles like these. So on this one there was a support here. As you can see, the candle closed above this level and then it proceeded to go up, and then we have another support which is here. As you can see now, it is going up as intended, but we might be lucky enough that it comes to this level right here, this support zone here. But I don't mainly take this candle as my support. I like to place it from this second candle before the support, because sometimes these trades, they don't normally go for your order block. Sometimes it goes for your breaker blocks and stuff like that. So I'm gonna use these two candles as my support. And then what I'm seeing right here, let me delete this guy, is that we have another inducement here on this level here. So what might happen here is that it might come to take off this inducement, grab us here, and then we go all the way up. So now I had a feeling that it's gonna bounce off this candle and go up, but when you take this type of trades, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So I'm gonna stick to what I know, and then I'm gonna wait for the market to come and take us from this level and then all the way up there. But we're not gonna put our TP all the way up there, because sometimes the market can just like respect this zone here as our supply, and then it goes all the way down. Or even this point, it is even this zone, it is a point of interest, as the market already rejected twice on that level. Now what can happen here is that the market can go up there and retest this zone here. Can retest this zone here and go down, up and down also. So it doesn't mean that my predictions are always right, but I just follow the trend, guys. When the trend is going up, take my buys. When the trend is going down, take my sells. So that's what I normally do when I'm scalping. So it doesn't matter what happens, as long as my analysis makes sense to what I'm doing. So I'm gonna quickly hop into the phone here and try to take this trade from this level here, maybe all the way up today.
That's